Hey guys, welcome you to another video of mine. Today's video is an ungraded version of Nuclear Profit AI. If you're fortunate to have used the previous version and enjoy it, then I think you should be thinking of giving this EA a try. From the backtest analysis shown, this EA maximal drawdown is 3% and the relative drawdown is 7%. Consecutive losses are not more than 4. There are many things to check and consider to make this EA a good one to use. Looking at the result of this EA, you can tell it is a profitable one. I will continue to scroll down so you can see how great this EA works. The lot size used by this EA is 0.01. Frequently it keeps using the same lot enter until your equity gets to a certain level where it's going to change from 0.01 to 0.02. To understand better how this EA works, you need to get it. Later in this video, I am going to tell you how you can download this EA. Quickly, I am going to do a backtest of this video. Stay with me and don't skip this video. Now the backtest is loading. In a while it should start picking its trades. Looking at the chart, you can see there is a blue line which the EA uses in demarcating the buying market from the sell ones. The line stands as a breakout level. What makes this different from the previous one? The previous one closes all trade from 1500 pips and uses a stop loss of 500 pips, but this upgraded version closes its trade between 500 pips to 1000 pip. And closes all trade between 400 pips to 500 pips. I can keep explaining it to you, but the best way to understand how these EA works are by trying it yourself. This EA is free to get. To get it, follow the link below my channel to my webpage, or for an alternative download also, follow the link to my Telegram page to download this EA. Remember to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. Thank you all and keep watching this video to the end.
Thanks for watching.